All right, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have this case from Mujjo. It's their Maizcase, and it's the steel blue color as you can see here. So they were kind enough to send this out for review for my iPhone 16 Pro here. So in today's video, we'll slap this on, we'll talk about it, and let you know if it's a good case or not. So this is gonna cost you around 59 bucks or so. I'll link it down in the description. But as you can see here with the packaging, it's pretty simple. You know, you got a really nice picture of what the case is going to look like. It does show slim design, plant-based leather made in Italy, so that's pretty impressive, and MagSafe capabilities there. Color is still blue, like I said. And if we flip it over to the back, you can kind of see some more information about the machine metal camera bump, which we'll talk about, the machine metal buttons, all that good stuff. There is a 2-year warranty as well, just FYI, and their website's mujjo.com. So there we go. So let's go ahead and put this to the side and let's show you the case real quick. So as you can see here, it is a really nice steel blue color. It's kind of like a navy blue and kind of like some gray hints to it a little bit as well. The inside's got this really nice padded material inside here, kind of like a nice suede type of material inside here that's gonna be going up against your phone. Feels really nice. As you can see, there's that MagSafe capabilities there, Mujjo branding there as well. But outside of that, it's pretty straightforward when it comes to the case. So let's go ahead and slap this on real quick. And there we go. And there's the case installed, as you can see. So it has this really nice leather material here. It's a premium European leather, but it's got this just really nice texture to it. I really like the way it feels in my hand. Very basic Mujjo branding there, so nothing too crazy. But as it says, it does have this machined finished metal camera bump, which is pretty nice. It's very slim, but it does recess the lenses in very nicely, as you can see there. So pretty cool looking, but it matches the phone case color, so I really like that as well. But looking here on the side, we have that machine metal button for the power button, a very specific cutout there for the camera control, so we'll test that here in a minute. And then here at the bottom, nice cutout for the USB-C charging port and our speakers. And then here on this side, it's kind of the same situation. So 2 metal buttons for the volume up and down and 1 for the action button. And then that's kind of the look there top down, as you can see, so pretty dang slim. And then if we look at it from the front view here, you can see that we do have some lifts that do go around the screen. So we are getting some decent screen protection. So if we place the phone face down, there isn't any issue with that hitting. And I do have a full tempered glass screen protector installed here, and it does just fine. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test here. So if I slap it face down, there's no shaking going on face down. But if I go back down, there's a little bit of some shaking going on, and then when you get to that bump, there's a lot of shaking going on. So it is what it is. It is an iPhone 16 Pro case, so it's kind of to be expected. So now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test here. So let's do the power button first. Very tactile. Okay, volume up and down. Once again, very, very tactile. And the action button, not too shabby either. So now let's go ahead and test out the MagSafe capabilities with this phone case. So let me go grab my MagSafe charger real quick. All right, so got it here. So let's slap it on. And as you can see in here, it is MagSafe charging. So no issues at all there with MagSafe capabilities. And the magnets are pretty strong as well. I've had this phone case in my possession now for probably, I guess, almost since day one of owning this phone. And the MagSafe magnets do very well inside of my vehicle, so I don't really have any complaints there with the MagSafe capabilities. So the only thing that I want to test to show you real quick is the camera control cutout here. So my only complaint with this case is that this cutout is a little deep. I don't know if you can tell by the video, but if I put my finger over it, it does hover a tiny bit. I would have liked to have seen it be a little more flush, but it is a double-edged sword a little bit, because one thing I like about this is that there's not really any accidental touches of the camera control button, but when you are trying to use it, you really kind of have to push your finger deep in there to be able to open that up and then start using it. So as you can see there, it works, but I do need to kind of dig my finger in there a little bit deeper than I would like. But it's not really a major complaint. So maybe with the next iteration, I would like to see, you know, maybe that kind of addressed, but who knows? Maybe it's not a big deal to a lot of people. If you own this case already, let me know what you think. But all in all, guys, I mean, for a leather case that's a high-end case, I think it's really nice. Like, I really love the way it feels in the hand. I love the color. They do make some other really cool colors that match, for example, like my desk pad here. So they make some really cool cases. So make sure to check them out. I've reviewed their cases before and haven't really had any complaints before either. But very slim. Really like the slim profile of it. It's very lightweight. So definitely big thumbs up as far as the quality of the case. So make sure to hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. I'll see you on the next one.